Society of Amranthine Educators of Happy Valley Business School presents Talks on Business Essentials. We talk what we know what we talk. Knowledge is cumulative, let us acquire.
Hi, this is Bina, again back with my videos on marketing. And today's video is dedicated to a gentleman who called me after watching my videos, and he wanted to know if marketing really helps. I did explain to him, but then I thought today's video would be on the very simple theme of how marketing has impacted our lives. And as usual, I would go with my own example to explain the need and the impact of marketing in our lives. And I'm sure you would be surprised. So see you all in a second. This is not the Bina of 2020. Well, please rewind a little. This is Bina of the late 1990s when I was in school. And all my needs were fulfilled even those days. But with what type of products? Competition was there, products were available, demand was there, and also the purchasing power. But yet, the products that were available were just the oil. There was a simple oil bottle. There was a powder to make you look fairer than what you are today. And there was probably one or two brands of soap, and this was a soap that we had used probably for 20-30 years, all of us in our family. And the total cost of the so-called makeup was 50 rupees. So here we are, back to 2020. Currently, these are a few products that I use. There's a difference between a need and a want. A need is always fulfilled, but it is the duty of the marketer to somehow try to increase the wants of a customer. Now, starting from what I do for my hair, the oil that I use, to the conditioners that we use to take bath, to the shampoos that we use, and you will not believe it, this time I just happened to buy a conditioner which is called as a pre-wash conditioner. See how very smart marketers are to try to create a product, to try to create a need to satisfy the wants of customers. So this is about the hair. Yeah, so coming to what we use on our faces these days, I'm sure all of you would be lying if you say that you're not using all these products. Well, I too did not really realize that we have been using all these products until the time I just laid it out. All of us definitely use a face wash and probably a moisturizer after that, and then comes the body. We start with our deodorants and then our body moisturizers. After that, you have your waxing creams, and not to mention, of course, the deos and the perfumes that we use. SPF cream after that. I would be giving you the average price of each product that I use, and you will be astonished at the total amount that comes up at the end of the month. So these are something which we use for our face, and these are things that we use at home. What about the costs involved when we go outside, maybe for a facial or a manicure or a pedicure? Now, for the face, when you come back to the face, you have all this, you have your lipsticks, and I'm a great lover of lipsticks and especially of MAC, and this doesn't come anything less than 2000 rupees. These are certain things which of course looks just like a pencil, but then I'll have to shell out more than 1500 rupees for this, and you will not believe it, it doesn't last for more than 3 months. But once I'm hooked on to this product, it is very difficult to get me out of it. And who is responsible for this? It is definitely the marketer. Coming to, you even have a cream today which is called as your hand and foot cream. Imagine we don't use oil any longer, but we use creams, and we have accessories like these watches. Watches are just an example that I'm taking now to make a point that we have just not one. Initially, we had just probably a HMT watch or a Titan watch and just one, whereas here we have so many to fulfill each and every occasion and the need associated with it. So if you do a breakup of the average spend of a customer per month only for the person. Here I am excluding the clothes, I am excluding other accessories, I am excluding the entertainment part that the customer goes through, I am excluding the vacations and the automobiles and the electronic items and what not associated, which is a very high ticket item. I have just concentrated on only very small products, And mind you, this video is only for women. And I know what men would be thinking, this is only for women, it doesn't suit me. And for this sake, I'm definitely going to take another video, and you will be again surprised to see that men spend more than women. So the average price for me, when I totaled it up, it came to approximately 15,000 rupees. I was shocked. 15,000 rupees is what I spend on an average every month. So what? This 15,000 rupees, I will tell you how 15,000 becomes 5,000 crores. Hold your breath. 48% of the population in India are women. Let me leave those who are not working. So it comes to only around, say, 20 million who are working. And from that, I just take 1%. Would you agree with me that this 1% definitely come under the sample size of a working woman who probably is like me, maybe sometimes who can even spend more than me. None of my products are very costly products, but I'm sure there might be people who spend less than this, less than me, or even much more than me. So I'm taking an average. So I'm just taking only 1% of the population, 1%, which is around 280,000 women employees who are in the workforce in urban areas. So from the total, I just take 1%, 1% into 15,000 per month. Hold your breath. It is 5,000 crores per annum for just 1% of urban employed women. This is how marketers come home. 5,000 crores is being sucked out of urban households just to satisfy the needs and wants of customers. So in conclusion, need is one, wants are many. It's very easy for a marketer to hook a customer. Just understand what his weak points are. It's not about what your product is, but it is about how the product makes your customer feel. Did I answer the gentleman's question? Thanks for watching.